Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 1, today I am going to take your English language class. So all of you take your English language book. And today we will discuss lesson 21. That means the preposition of place. And I hope all of you have taken your book and go to page 66. And my dear students, all of you open your book, go to page 66 and let's start our class. Now look, today we will know about the prepositions of place. And prepositions are the words which tell us the place of someone or something. Okay, now look at this picture. Where is the box? Now look, there is a box and there is a ball. And in the first picture, the ball is inside the box. So we will use in to show the place of the ball. The ball is in the box. And now look, in the second picture, the ball is where? The ball is on the surface of the, adjacent to the surface. That means the ball is above the box. So in this position, when something touches the surface of something else, we will use on. And now look, the ball is on the box. And now look, the third picture, if you find the ball in this position, what will you use? We will use under. The ball is under the box. And now look, if you find the, if you find someone or something in the middle of two things, we will use between. And now look, the ball is between the two boxes. So if you indicate something inside of something, someone or something is inside of a circle or a box or an enclosed area, we will use in. And if you want to indicate something which is on the surface, which is near to the surface of something, we will use on. And if you find something is what? Below something else, we will use under. And if you find something which is middle of two things, we will use between. Okay, now let's go to page 66 and now look, let's read. What is the name of this chapter? In, on, under, between. And these are called prepositions of place because these prepositions tell us the place of someone or something. Now look, there is a poem for you. Let's read the poem. There was a little turtle. He lived in a box. He swam in a puddle. He climbed on the rocks. Now look, in this picture, the in the first sentence, second sentence, in is a preposition. He swam in a puddle. Here in is a preposition. He climbed on the rocks. On is the preposition. And these prepositions tell us about the position of the turtle. In the second sentence, it is inside the box, and in the third sentence, it is swam is in the puddle. And now where was the turtle? The turtle climbed on the rock. That means the turtle was on the rocks. So in, on, under, and between are words which tell us where someone or something is. So these are our prepositions because these words tell us about the position of someone or something. Now we will do exercise number 1. And what is the instruction? look at the pictures and complete the sentences with the correct word from the brackets. Now all of you open your book and it will be helpful for you. Now look number 1, look at number 1. The pen is dash the 2 hands, and in bracket there are 2 options, between and in. And now look, the pen is where? Now look at this picture. In this position, what will you use? Between. So this pen is between 2 hands. So we will write here between. It will be our answer. Now look at the second picture. There is a cup and inside it there is a pen. The pen is dash the cup, and option under or in. So now look at the first picture. If you find something or someone is inside of something, what will you write? We use in. So our answer is the pen is in the cup. Now number 3. The children are playing dash the tree. Now look at the children and they are playing here, and they are where? They are on the tree or under the tree? Yes, you are right, they are under the tree. Now look, the ball is under the box. So we will write here under. The children are playing under the tree. Now number 4, the doll is dash the table. Options are between or on. So where is the box? Now look at the second picture. Where is the ball? The ball is on the box and we use on. So our answer is on. The doll is on the table. Now look, number 5, the book is dash the box. In or between? Now look at the first picture. Where is the ball? In the box. And just like the same thing, the book is in the box. Our answer is in. Now number 6, the ball is dash the table, under or on. What will be here? Could you tell me the answer? Yes, you are right. There will be under. Now look at the third picture. We use under here. The ball is under the box. That means the ball is under the table. Now the last one, 7 number. The baby birds are dash the nest. Where is the baby birds? Under or in? Now look, in, under. What is the picture? See, the picture is similar to the first picture. That means the baby birds are in the nest. So our answer is in. So our first sentence is, the pen is between the 2 hands. Number 2, the pen is in the cup. Number 3, the children are playing under the tree. Number 4, the doll is on the table. Number 5, the book is in the box. Number 6, the ball is under the table. And number 7, the baby birds are in the nest. So today we will do exercise today we have done exercise number 1, and you will do exercise number 1 as your homework. This is homework number 6. From lesson 21 you will do exercise number 6. That means this exercise what we have done now, and these are called the prepositions of place. Remember it: in, on, under, between, and they tell us about the place of someone or something. So my dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic, and all of you will do your assigned homework in your SW copies, and you will submit all your all the SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and it is very important because your SBA and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. So do your homework regularly and submit it on time, and all of you practice a lot and abide by your parents. So see you again. Allah Hafiz.